Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Nurul Fadilah. I'm from class B, regular to 2020. I'm from History Education in Medan State University. In this video, I will explain about prehistory period in North Sumatra. The first, I will explain about definition of prehistory. So the definition is the term prehistory comes from a combination of words, namely pre and history. Pre means before and history means history. Thus, what is meant by prehistory is the period before humans recognize the form of history. The prehistory and pre-literate period is also known as the Nirleka. The Nirleka period, Nir means nothing and Leka means writing. Namely, the period there was no writing and no history. And then I will explain about prehistory period in North Sumatra. Research from the Medan Archaeological Center has uncovered traces of the first human civilization in North Sumatra. Traces of human presence are drawn from archaeological finds such as vertebrate remains, bones, and teeth. The location was in a cave at an altitude of 175 meters above sea level in Lolowonu, Niko Otanu Village, Gunung Sitoli District, Nias Regency. Stone heating and pipisan, an arrowhead made of stone with a length of 5 cm. The most interesting evidence of past civilization was the discovery of oval and andesite stone with the characteristic of a bat, stone, and tool or spatula made of horns and mollusk shell. According to Ketut Wiradiana, a research at the Medan Archaeology Center, the findings were very absolute. The result is amazing. There have been humans living on Nias, especially in Togin Rawas Cave. Lolowonu Niko Otanu Village since 12,000 years ago and this continued until around 1115 AD. The lifespan of the first human on Nias Island was calculated using the radiocarbon method on mollusk sample. The first human who lived in cave used marine biota, especially those in mangrove area. This can be proven, said Ketut, from the fields of mollusk shell found in the excavation pits of the site. The culture that exists in the first human on Nias was exactly the same as the prehistoric culture found in Vietnam, or it can say Hobin. Another possibility can be drawn if the Paleolithic period on Nias Island has a relatively similar time to the Paleolithic period in other parts of Indonesia or Nusantara. The human migration in the archipelago is partly believed to have originated from mainland Asia. Paleolithic humans then developed their way of life in line with the development of their brains to the Mesolithic, Neolithic, Megalithic until now. And then that is my video. If there is a mistake, I am sorry. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.